Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about the shortcuts application that we have on the iPad. This is the iPad Pro M4 and we are on the iPad OS 18.3. A lot of people are using the iPads, but not a lot of people are using the shortcuts application. If you already have the shortcuts application on your iPad, you can simply click on this and start using it. By any chance, if you have deleted this application in the past, you can simply download this application from the App Store. That's absolutely free. Okay, so let's click on the shortcuts. When you click on the shortcuts, you have all the shortcuts on this section. This is the all shortcuts. If you click on this, it has all the shortcuts which you can use. And say, for example, we have the shortcut of books. I have two options on the book section. Number one is the read current or play current. So if I click on the read current, this will take me to the book which I am reading currently and on the page which I was last reading. If I click on the play current, this will start playing the audio if we have the audio version of the book. Similarly, we have the camera section. If we click on the camera and if we see on the camera section, we have all the options starting from the selfie, video, portrait selfie, photo, etc. Say for example, if I click on the photo, this will open the camera on the iPad and directly take us to the photo option. So this is a useful thing. So the purpose of using the shortcuts application is to use the iPad and use the applications within the iPad without actually opening that apps. But we have also other means of accessing these shortcuts. Say for example, if I click on the camera, I will get all the options there. What I just did is I simply try to search the camera from the search option. I click the search, I type the search. Now we have all the search options of the camera itself, selfie, video, and the other options. That is another way. But when you are on the shortcuts app, you can have all the options in the one page. So similarly, we have all these options, including the chat GPT. Chat GPT is a third party application. It's not by default Apple application, but we're still getting the shortcuts within the application on this shorts application. And that is the basics. Let's get into some more fun stuff. And that is, if you click on the galleries, you will notice you have a gallery of different options to choose from. Say for example, in the gallery we have the shortcuts for accessibility. If I click on this section, I have all the options which I can add on the shortcuts. Say for example, let's try to do something funny. I'm on the gallery and get organized is a category. From the get organized, I'm gonna choose split screen, Safari, and notes. If I click on this plus means now we have the shortcut in the all shortcuts. Now if you can see this is the new addition on the on our shortcuts list. And if I click on this, see, now this is opening two applications simultaneously that we have configured or that we have chosen, the Safari and the notes. And we can also add as much as shortcuts to this all shortcuts as per our needs and requirements. So for example, I would like to add one more, and that is from the essentials, a meme maker. Now from the plus, this has been changed to a text sign representing that this has been added to our new shortcuts. Let's click on the meme maker, select a picture, and now it is asking how many lines you would like to create a meme. Say for example one, and in one type any text and say okay and click OK. This is how it works. So that is a basic example how we can add the shortcuts from the gallery onto our usable shortcuts. Okay, so the second thing we have is the automation. New automation is a very cool feature. You can automate your task using this application. How can you use it? Simply you need to click on this new automation, and for a demonstration purpose, let's use the Wi-Fi. Now we have two options on the Wi-Fi, that is when the network is fine or when the network is left. So let's do this for the when the network is joined, and it is asking us two different options: run after confirmation or run immediately. Let's click on the run immediately and let's do it. Select a network. Say for example, this is our current network 5G speed X. Done. And next what we option have here. If I am using this, then start Bluetooth on. Okay, so my automation on this is very simple. Whenever my iPad connects with this, it will automatically do the second action, and that the second action is the do set Bluetooth on. Okay, so we are currently on this network. Let's go to settings and disable the Wi-Fi. When I turn on the Wi-Fi, this is by default gonna connect me to this. Look at this, shortcuts running, and now our Bluetooth is on. So that was the one example. You can add as much use cases to your liking or to your needs as you would like to. Say for example, we can set some alarms. We can make the configurations like arrive. When we arrive at home, we can configure the second job, and we can also do this. The Wi-Fi thing is very cool. Say for example, like I have configured for the demonstration purpose the Bluetooth. When this Wi-Fi is connected, when this specific Wi-Fi is connected, right immediately turn on the Bluetooth as well. We can also change this, and when the network is left, whenever the network is left, run immediately. And what do next? Do next is write immediately, send me an email or send me a message. Send me message, he is gone. Recipient, at any number you would like to. And what happened in that automation is, when a person who is using the specific Wi-Fi network, when he turns off the network, the iPad will immediately send a message to the person that the network is now disabled and this guy is heading towards something else. So this is the one use case. The options are limitless. Go and walk around and search for the options that you would like to use, and this is how we use the shortcuts on the iPad. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and a like. Thank you very much.